that's our
And
pit.
Aaron looks at me.
And that's
And
the
Danny just slowly
stage.
saunters down to the stage.
Backstage, let's backstage it.
Oh no, they don't. Oh, they
The Orphans.
right here.
Hooverville set.
T-shirts.
And this little shop. And these are all our props. So the props are, they go all the way down here. And that's our green room, which we'll get to later. But more props. And when we change, this is where we have to go. See, there's the stage doors right there. But we have to come down here when we change. Actually a long walk, so. And then that's the guy's dressing room. And that's the girl's dressing room. Bye-bye. Peace. Why did I do that? Oh, more wig heads. There's a lot of wig heads. And then those are costumes they did not use.